The American economy is on the move. And we're seeing that on the railroad. There's been strong overall demand for industrial products this year. From sand to steel, pipe to wind turbines, lumber to plastics. BNSF is handling broad-based growth among a wide variety of industrial products commodities.
Looking at the numbers through May of this year, 208,000 cars roughly is what we've departed out of Tulsa. It was around 179,000 cars last year at the same time. So essentially, we're departing about 3 weeks worth of cars more so far this year.
We're seeing probably about 150 cars additional traffic through the terminal a day than what we were probably 3 months ago. And a lot of that has to do with IP coming through here.
Thousands of industrial products customers are served by BNSF. For every customer, we are committed to keeping supply chains consistent and cost-effective. That's why we continue to invest the resources necessary to handle your growth. Since 2000, BNSF has invested more than $60 billion in our network, including $3.4 billion this year, to help ensure we're prepared for the increasing needs of our customers. And for industrial products, that includes having the infrastructure to move products faster and more efficiently.
What it means for BNSF customers, the expansion that we've done allows us to process more timely, and then it helps us meet the expectations of the customer in a timely fashion.
The expansions here in Tulsa have enabled us to be able to bring more traffic in, be more efficient with our processes to allow us to hump more cars. Our average, we're averaging about 100 cars more a day being processed. We're averaging a little over 75 cars more departure a day. So we're seeing efficiencies by adding the extra capacity here, but it also frees up main line capacity for trains that are not needing to come to Tulsa to be processed.
BNSF has expanded several rail yards in recent years, including Tulsa and the Twin Cities, as growth touches nearly every part of our 32,500 route mile network.
We were able to increase our capacity by about 20,000 feet by adding 3 more additional arrival tracks. Along with that, we built a bypass main, so those customers, the through trains, did not have to congest any of our arrival departure tracks, which enables us to bring more traffic in more efficiently.
To reach growing markets, we've opened new logistics centers, multi-commodity, multi-customer business parks that can serve both manifest and unit train customers. Managing this growth requires a focus on efficiencies. Some traffic, particularly sand, has shifted largely to unit trains in recent years. But while unit train volume is increasing, it's manifest volume that makes up nearly 2/3 of BNSF industrial products traffic. And it's heading toward an all-time peak this year.
The current process of planning industry work can be very cumbersome. So we wanted to create a one-stop shop view for industry planners to make it easier for them to see all the information in one place and also allow them the flexibility to truly do what they want to do. We believe industry planning tool saves time, provides decision-enhancing information, as well as gives them the flexibility to truly create an accurate work order.
BNSF is enhancing existing tools and developing new ones to support our single-car manifest customers.
BNSF uses data to improve service really by trying to pinpoint opportunities to drive towards a single goal of improving the customer experience.
Continuing to implement technological advances is at the forefront of our efforts to drive greater service improvements. When it comes to delivering solutions for growth in 2018, collaboration is key. And being successful requires working in close partnership with you, our customers, to achieve the ultimate goal, getting your freight where it needs to be, when it needs to be there.